If you're looking for the single perfect layering option for your hiking outfit, I've got you covered. There's a piece of clothing that I will always bring hiking with me across the world. You'll get the details later in this video. Whenever I go on a hike, no matter where I am, I dress in layers. Layers are absolutely essential no matter where you hike, as this easily allows for you to regulate your body temperature, which is the most important aspect of your hiking fit. Let's start with my feet. I love my Darn Tough socks. These non-cotton socks are insanely durable. Their warranty is incredible and they are guaranteed for life, meaning that if you ruin them, they replace them. You can get them in a variety of lengths. Above the ankle is my favorite because it keeps the dirt out. Hiking footwear is pretty personal, but you can almost always find me hiking in either my trail runners or approach shoes. It really just depends on what I'm doing. For under the bottom, I almost exclusively wear REI's moisture-wicking undergarments. Do I think non-cotton underwear is necessary? Debatable, but it's a slippery slope. Once you switch over, you will never go back, so you've been warned. For bottoms in warmer weather, I love my Prana Canab shorts. These are great for hiking and backpacking because of the thick, soft waistband, and I've been wearing these for years. The pockets are deep and useful as well. I just wish they had a zippered pocket in them, and they look great too. If there's variable weather or I'm on a multi-day trip, I'll wear my REI Sahara convertible pants. These are a matter of function and are the least offensive convertible pant that I've ever tried on. It's really about weight and flexibility here. I love that you can convert them into shorts without taking off your hiking boots. For my shirt, you'll typically see me in my absolute favorite piece of hiking gear. This layer has been to 10 different countries with me and countless trips. I've used it backpacking, hiking, mountaineering, climbing, on the water, on safari, even on a sunny beach day. In fact, I have 3 of them. The Outdoor Research Woman's Astro Air Sun Hoodie is worth every penny. It's extremely breathable and feels like wearing an air conditioner. The quarter zip gives you even more ventilation for the sweat on those really rugged uphills. The hoodie is helmet compatible, but still totally usable without a helmet. The deep pocket is perfect for hoarding snacks. You almost exclusively see me wearing this layer. Pair this with a moisture-wicking t-shirt is just enough warmth on a chilly morning. On top of that, I love my Mammut Al Bula-In jacket. It doesn't have a hood, but it's so lightweight and packable that I can't get enough of it. If I had to get one all over again, I would certainly opt for a hood. If it's extra cold, I'll bring along a fleece layer too, usually only if I'm backpacking. The key for fleece is to have the checkered pattern in it so that you don't sweat too hard. For rain, I'm all about my Outdoor Research Aspire 2. It's so breathable and lets me move so easily, I almost don't think I'm wearing rain gear. For my head, I find just any old hat, the older the better because I'm dirty. Same goes with my beanie. I've had this Prana beanie forever. It's got little foxes on it. I'll level with you. This stuff is really expensive. Take advantage of sales, scope out local secondhand stores and outdoors areas, or buy the past season stuff to score a deal. Want to talk about footwear? Then you've got to check out my next video where I dive deep into how to choose the best footwear for your tootsies, including one mega tip that is going to surprise you.